Hello friends of YouTube, here you can see green stuff and the price. 2 strips of green stuff costs 2,800 kronur, US dollar in description. The Space Marine Legions were created long before the development of Imperial Creed and the dominion of the Adeptus Ministorum. As a result, every Space Marine chapter had its own cult practices, its own attendant priest. The spiritual leaders of the Space Marines are known as chaplains, and for over 10,000 years they have led the holy rites of their chapters. Asmodai, Master of Repentance. Here you can see the price, 5,500 kronur, US dollar in description. The box contains one base. White Scar is 700 kall. Here you can see the plastic of the Interrogator Primaris chaplain of the Dark Angels chapter. Here you can see the back side. The mace is here. The most sinister of the Dark Angels is Brother Asmodai, the chapter's oldest and most successful interrogator chaplain. Brutal, uncompromising. At the point, Asmodai does not suffer foolishness, nor does he tolerate idleness of mind or spirit. In his obsession, which has grown with his age, Asmodai has become a living embodiment of duty, openly disdaining all that does not pertain to battle, the chapter's goals, and ultimately to the secret hunt that drives him. Whether on the battlefield, at council with the inner circle, or in the dungeons administrating to one of the heretical fallen, or anyone who might have information about them, Asmodai is a merciless bringer of death, a true Dark Angel.